Hi, I'm Julia O. I'm an associate professor at the Jackson Laboratory for Genomic Medicine in Farmington, Connecticut. And my lab is a hybrid computational experimental group looking at different omics approaches and ultra high resolution microbiome analyses to better understand how the microbiome changes in different disease states. And so finally, I think the next steps moving forward, I've kind of thrown them in as I've gone along in terms of being excited about our findings, but then thinking about the next step really in terms of expanding the cohorts. We could like I said earlier, MECFS is tremendously heterogeneous. The way that patients are trying to address their disease is also really heterogeneous. And do we need to try to tighten up the cohorts, make smaller cohorts, more closely link in some of the clinical abnormalities observed? That may allow us to be even more precise in terms of identifying MECFS specific or generalized risk or protective factors for inflammatory disease. And then finally, really, I want to end here with, what are the potential, hopefully not long-term or moonshot kinds of approaches to potentially leveraging our findings to improve treatment of MECFS. But supplementation of these butyrate producers may be a potential avenue. The good part about the microbiome is that it's very plastic in the sense that it's changeable versus our genetics, which is largely very difficult to change. And so the ability to modulate the microbiome, I think, is a really exciting potential both diagnostic tool, but also a potential treatment or mitigation tool as well. So I'm really excited about the potential of supplementation with probiotics or engineered probiotics to supply some of these missing metabolites in these patients.